In order to encourage people to buy electric vehicles, the Government of India has introduced few schemes. In this video, let us understand government subsidy for electric vehicles. Today, we will understand the schemes offered by central government. Let us start with the FAME scheme. It stands for Faster Adoption and Manufacturing of Hybrid and Electric Vehicles. Let us understand the timeline. In 2013, the NEMMP was set up, that is National Electric Mobility Mission Plan, with objective to support electric vehicle development. Then next in 2015, the FAME 1 scheme was launched under this on April 1st. Next, the phase 2 of FAME 1 was launched in 2019, FAME 2 with an outlay of 10,000 crore for a period of 3 years. The phase 2 is up to 2022 and there may be new updates beyond that. The main aim of FAME is to encourage faster adoption of electric and hybrid vehicle. Government is offering upfront incentive on purchase of electric vehicles. On two-wheeler electric vehicles, bikes and scooters, rupees 15,000 per kilowatt hour of battery capacity is offered as subsidy. On electric four-wheelers, rupees 10,000 per kilowatt hour of battery capacity up to 1.5 lakh is offered as subsidy. Next aim is to establish necessary charging infrastructure required for electric vehicles. Next aim is to address the issue of environmental pollution and also security of fuel. Also, there are additional benefits offered by the central government. The GST is less, that is around 5% on all electric vehicles. Taking loan offers tax benefits of up to rupees 1.5 lakh under Section 80 EEB of Income Tax Act, providing additional savings. Electric vehicles are exempted from paying fees for issue or renewal of registration certificates. These schemes are applicable across the entire country. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Always. Also press bell icon to get notified.